Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable consent banners in Cookiebot for US compliance. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable consent banners in Cookiebot for US compliance, start by logging into your Cookiebot account. On the dashboard, locate the Settings tab on the left side of the screen. Click on Settings to open the configuration options. In the Settings menu, find and select Consent Banner. You will see options for customizing your consent banner. Select the Design tab to configure the visual appearance of your banner. Choose a layout that aligns with your website's branding. Next, proceed to the Content tab to customize the message displayed on the banner. It's important to inform users about the purpose of cookie usage. In the message, include a brief explanation about data collection for analytics. After customizing the text, navigate to the Compliance tab. Here, set up the consent type required for US users. Choose the option for Implied Consent to align with current regulations. Once you have made your selections, click on the Save button to apply the changes. Next, go to the Script tab to obtain the Cookiebot script. Copy the provided script code to your clipboard. Now, access your website's code editor. Paste the Cookiebot script into the header section of your website's HTML. Make sure to place it before any other JavaScript tags for it to function properly. After saving the changes in your website's code, clear your browser cache. Visit your website to see the consent banner in action. Confirm that the banner is visible and functioning correctly. Test the banner to ensure that users can provide or refuse consent. Review the cookie declaration on your website to ensure transparency. Finally, monitor user interactions with the consent banner through the Cookiebot dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.